All right. Well, the Bitcoin ETF race is heating up. I'm going to explain that here in a minute. And this is just proof positive that we are getting close. Now, we're expecting the decision uh, January 10th, which is Wednesday, 2 days from now. Okay. The indicators are that it's going to be approved. Now, this is kind of rumor and speculation at this point. Obviously, none of us know what the SEC and our good buddy Gary Gensler, notice the sarcasm there, are going to do or not going to do. Okay. But I have said this all along. This is going to be approved. There is too much political and financial power behind the Bitcoin ETFs for them not to be approved. And I think that's ultimately the real message here. Now, I want to show you what I mean by the race is heating up here in a minute. So we're going to get into this. Okay. So right now, crypto is really quiet, not a lot going on. Okay. And it's all, again, in speculation and leading up to the fact that we are now in a really a 48-hour countdown. Okay. So here's what I meant about the race is heating up. Okay. So just in the fierce race among Bitcoin ETF issuers to lower fees is intensifying and cutthroat. This is the fees that BlackRock and Fidelity and ARK are going to be charging their people, obviously, to buy into the Bitcoin ETFs. Why is this important and why is this news? Here's why. This is a land grab. Think of it this way. Think of it in the Old West when the settlers were moving and they were just trying to grab land wherever they could. That's what this is. This is a land grab among the traditional finance organizations, Fidelity, Schwab, JP Morgan, BlackRock, ARK, et cetera, right? To grab clients, to grab new clients, obviously, and to sell their existing clients then to this Bitcoin ETF. This is a big, big thing. Again, the fact that they're lowering fees to reduce the cost to try to, lure as many clients in. Why? Money. Why? Trading fees, profits, millions and billions of dollars in profit for them on an annualized basis. Okay, so getting back to what we were talking about. So this is news, and this is obviously behavior and what's going on and the fact that we are moving forward. Okay. This is just, if you want to pause the video here, you can. This is just giving you insight into the fee structures for some of these companies. Like you can see, like at the very top, right where my mouse is, Grayscale is the top as far as the most expensive, 1.5%. Whereas ARK is 0.25, and like, let's see, like right here, BlackRock, I believe, what was that other one? BlackRock has lowered theirs to 0.39. Again, this, if you want to pause the video and check it out, kind of look at the fee structure, you can, but that's what that is. Okay. So this is obviously, now I want to kind of transition a little bit. And I want to talk about the fact that the Bitcoin spot ETF is not priced in. What do I mean by that? Well, really, this is something that's really been kind of that I've been talking about a little bit, but also it's out there. And what it means is whether or not the jump, the move up has already been priced in. Has everybody already kind of made, oh, okay, they went out and bought Bitcoin and Cardano and Ethereum and whatever, Solana and all that, where it's quote priced in? And the answer, in my opinion, is no. Means that there's still a lot of capital, a lot of money that's going to flow into. Now, there's two sides of this. There's the institutional side. We know that's a massive side, but then there's the retail money side. And I'm talking about both of them in a certain context that it is not priced in. Okay. Meaning that we have a lot more room to go up here. Okay. So there's that. So the Bitcoin ETF is not priced in. I agree with the Wolf of all streets in this regard. This is something else. Update: JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs are approaching clients about initial BlackRock spot Bitcoin ETF inflows. What they mean by that is they're approaching their clients, JP Morgan, Sachs, et cetera. They're all saying, hey, you should buy this. They're approaching their clients because it's a big, big thing. They're expected more than $2 billion the first week inflows for the Bitcoin ETF. Also expect Goldman Sachs to be added as authorized participant in BRK BTC ETF. I'm sorry, I apologize, I misread that. There's $2 billion the first week just for the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF inflow. There you go. Okay. And lastly, and this kind of goes with what I'm talking about, There's an ETF applicant Bitwise survey that shows 88% of advisors interested in purchasing Bitcoin are waiting until after spot Bitcoin ETF is approved. And what they mean by this is this kind of goes back to this scenario where the price is not priced, the Bitcoin ETF is not priced in. And also this kind of goes back to this kind of comes back to the institutional side of the house where they just really haven't even they're not talking to their clients yet, right? Again, billions and billions and billions of dollars. Okay, so final thoughts, wrap up here. You're not going to see a lot of movement until we get a decision Wednesday. Again, we're in the 48-hour countdown clock here, so just stay tuned on that. All right, final thought. Margex, in my opinion, is the best trading platform out there. Links in the description below if you want to pick up. They're giving a 20, if you use that discount, if you use that link down there and there's a code down there, you get a 20% deposit bonus that helps you cover your fees and things like that. So that's really cool. And if you use mine down there, you get that bonus. You can't get that anywhere else. So if you've been interested in looking for one of the better trading platforms out there, this is one of them. I'm moving all my trading over to this one as well. They do have leverage if that's something that you're interested in. So check them out. Also, there's a lot of interesting scenarios playing out here. Well, we got some pent up demand going on in relationship to like moving up. Now, this is Bitcoin. 83 days ago, my software said it's time to buy, and it issued a sell alert and then another buy alert. Now, this is interesting. On XRP, I'm waiting for a buy alert right here. You see this? So we have a momentum down. This is a sell alert. So I'm waiting. So I'm using my software. I'm eating my own dog food, if you will, to wait for like buying into. You can see ICP. It just issued a sell alert. So like right here, look all the way to that 293+%. Crazy, right? So that's my software. If you're interested, links in the description below if you want to pick it up. But basically, we're about to be entering a massive trigger alert buy. So like, look back here about 80 days ago was when my software issued a buy alert for ICP, 293%. For Cardano, let me show you back about 80 days ago, my software issued an alert. Obviously, it went up from there 124%. Solana, my software issued an alert about 80 days ago, right there, issued another sell alert, buy alert, but the aggregate was 330%. See, it's issued a sell alert. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. It's issued a sell alert right there. Make sure you guys can see that. Yep. Okay. So I'm waiting for a buy alert. Okay. So, these alerts will just come to my phone. So you can do the exact same. Links in the description below if you want to pick it up. There's a discount code down there. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back, complete refund guarantee right there. So you're protected. So go check it out. Links in the description below. I'll see you. There's a discount code down there as well. Have a good one. Bye.